So in today's video we are going to learn how to draw a graph and find the zeros of a graph. Draw the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 5 and find the zeros graphically. So this is our equation. So how to solve this equation? Now let us see. First of all, we have to take x values. So this is our x value and y. So first we'll take x values as -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here first you have to remember that you have to take x values and you have to substitute these x values in the equation. The equation is y is equal to 2x plus 5. Then you will get the value of y. So first of all, let us take x is equal to 0. So if I am taking x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 5. Here in place of x I have to substitute 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. So for the value of 0 x, now we are getting the value of y as 5. So similarly, you have to find out other values. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. So I will get x is equal to 1. So I will take 2 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So similarly, we will find out the next value. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. So x is equal to 2 here. So 2 into x, in place of x we have to substitute 2 plus 5. So 4 plus 5, it is nothing but 9. So this is our value. So similarly, we have to find out other values. Now we will find the value for x is equal to 3, x is equal to -1, x is equal to -2. So x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 plus 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So our answer is 11 here. So similarly, we will find out for -1. So 2 into -1. Remember, we are taking -1. So keep it in brackets. Always -1 or minus values, you better keep it in brackets. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 and this -2 plus 5. So minus into plus is minus. We have to do minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Greater number sign is plus. So the answer will be +3 or simply 3 you can write. So the next question, next value for x is equal to -2. 2 into -2 plus 5. So 2 to the 4, minus 4 plus 5. So minus into plus is minus. You have to do minus. 5 minus 4, 1. Greater number sign is plus. So the answer will be plus 1. So now we'll find out x is equal to minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 plus 5. 2 3 the 6, minus 6 plus 5. Minus into plus, minus. So you have to do minus. 6 minus 5 is 1. Greater number sign is minus. So the answer will be minus 1. So these are the values which we are getting. Now we have to plot this on a graph. Now we will try to plot it on a graph and find out the answer, whether it is having a 0 graphically or not. For example, so this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. If the graph is straight line, imagine that this is the straight line. So the line which is touching the x-axis, the point at which it is touching, so this will be our 0. Okay, now let us see graphically and find out the answer. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, and this is our origin. Now let us take the points 1 2 3 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So similarly we'll take the values here. We have to see what are the values. The maximum value is 11 for y. Maximum value is 11 and the minimum value is minus 1. So we'll take the values of 3, 6, 9 and 12. So similarly we'll take minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. So you have to remember here I am taking the value as 3. So you have to add 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So similarly here also I have to take values, but the values will be in minus. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. So now let us plot the values. What are the values? First is x is 0, 5. This is our 0 value and y value is 5. So we'll take the value as here you will get y. So similarly 1, x is 1, our answer is 7. So I'll take the value as 7 here. When 2 is 9, 2 I'm getting 9. For 3 I'm getting 11. So here it will be. So this is the value. And similarly for minus 1, answer I am getting is 3. So I'll plot the graph point here, and for minus 2 I'm getting 1. So I'll take it here. For minus 3 I'm getting minus 1. Minus 1 means here this value. So I'll take this one. So when I join all these points, you can see that I'm getting a straight line. So here the graphical line is intersecting at this particular point. So this point will be our 0. So if you observe it carefully, if you observe it carefully, we'll see that x you are getting as minus 5 by 2. That is nothing but minus 2.5. So here this point is minus 2.5. So the 0 of our polynomial is, or the graph, the 0 of the equation x is equal to 2x plus 5 is minus 2.5. And here you have to mention the scale, x-axis and the y-axis. So x-axis 1 centimeter, this one also 1 centimeter. So for 1 centimeter, how many units I am taking? 1. So I am taking 1 unit. So similarly, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 3 units. So this is our graphical representation of our answer. Now let us see the next question. Draw the graph of y is equal to 2x and find the zeros. So now let us see how to solve this equation. First of all, so these are the x values. Now we have to substitute these values in equation. What is our equation? Y is equal to 2x. So we'll get 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So for one value I am getting 2. So similarly 2 into 2x. So 2 into 2. X is 2 here. 2 to the 4. So I am getting 4 here. So similarly 2x. X is 3 here. 2 into 3 is 6. So I am getting 6. So similarly, if I am substituting the other values, like y is equal to 2x, so x is how much? 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So 2x, x value is 2 into minus 1. So I am taking minus 1, I am getting minus 2. So similarly, x I am taking minus 2 now. So minus 2 means minus 4. I am getting the answer as minus 4. So 2x, x is minus 3. So I am getting answer as minus 6. So these are our values of both x and y. Now let us try to plot the graph. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. So this is our 0 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So similarly in the graph you have to see the maximum value of y. What is the maximum value of y? So I am getting 6 here and the minimum value is minus 6. So I'll take 2. 2, 4, 6. So similarly, -2, -4, -6. Now I'll take the x and y value. So for x 0, I am getting the y as 0. So I'll plot it here. X and y both are same. So for 1, the value is 2. For x is equal to 2, we are getting the value as 4. So I'll plot it here. So for 3, I'm getting the value as 6. So similarly for -1, I'm getting the answer as -2. So I'll plot it here. For -2, I'm getting -4. So -3, I'm getting -6. So if I join all these points, you can see that I'm getting a straight line. So that means we have to find out the 0. So so this line is touching the x-axis at 0. So the 0 of the equation y is equal to 2x is 0. That is, what is our 0? The graph when it touches the x-axis. At what point it is touching? So here it is touching at 0. So 0 is our answer. And you have to write the scale here, x-axis, y-axis. So on x-axis, what value I have taken? That is, it is 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, how much I have taken 1 centimeter? 1 unit. So I'll write here 1 unit. So for y, I have taken 2. So I'll write 2 units. So like this, you have to mention the scale also.